Let me show you different ways in a quick video on how you switch data around. For example here, if you have them horizontal and you instead want to have them vertically, it's very easy in Excel to switch it around and make these cells here to be in these cells here instead. You have different options, but all of the options will have the same word in it, and that's transpose. You transpose the cells from vertical to horizontal or the other way around. One way to do it is to select the cells, copy them with Ctrl+C, head over to the first cell, and then just paste it, Ctrl+V. This will make it look very weird, but you have this paste option here, and you have this symbol, transpose. You see the arrows that it flips it around, and now you have them like this instead. Another way is to copy the data, Ctrl+C, head over to the first cell, and then Ctrl+Alt+V. That's the shortcut to open up this paste special box, and here you also have the transpose option, and press on OK. But the perhaps easiest way to do it is to use the transpose function. It works the same way. You just select the array, the data you want to transpose, and poof, there you have it. And of course this works the other way around, and that's how you transpose, switch the data in your Excel file.